So today I am going to harvest few chilies for making pickle. So let's start. You can see lots of chilies are there, so that's why I thought why not to make chili pickle, and I am going to share the recipe with you as well. So that is my harvest for making pickle. You can see how nice the color is. Now I will remove the stalks. Now I am removing the stalks. After that I will wash these chilies thoroughly and then let them to dry. And after all these things I will come to the recipe. So my chilies are ready now for making pickle. So let's start. So these are the chilies I have first washed and then dried. Now I am taking these in this container. So all my chilies are dried. Now I am preparing the spices mix. For that I am going to take 1 teaspoon of saunf, that is fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of whole jeera, that is cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of methi seeds, that is fenugreek seeds, and almost 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Here I have used both white and black mustard seeds. You can use only one kind of seeds. And about a teaspoon of ajwain seeds, that is carom seeds. Now I am going to roast this whole spices mix in the oven, and after that I will make a powder out of it. Now I am going to roast this whole spices mix for 1 minute. After that I will let it to cool, and then I will make a powder in a mixer grinder. So after grinding the whole spices mix, I am going to add this mixture into the chilies. We don't like so much spices, so that's why I have decided the amount of spices here. You can increase the amounts of spices if you wish. Now I am adding some haldi also. Now I am adding salt. So its amount you have to decide according to your taste. I have taken 1 teaspoon of 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I am mixing these spices well with the chilies. I am going to place this chili and spices mix into this jar. You have to take a very clean jar, otherwise you cannot keep it for a long time. Now I am pouring this mixture into this glass jar. Now I am going to add some lemon juice. For that I have taken 3 lemons here. These are not very big size lemons. You can add vinegar also, but we prefer the organic things. That's why I am going to add lemon. Here lemon or vinegar acts as preservative, and it also reduces the hotness of chilies. So in both way it serves the purpose of enjoying chili pickle. Now mixing it well. Now I am adding mustard oil. You can first just warm off this mustard oil before adding to the pickle, but here I am directly applying this mustard oil. Now I will keep this jar into direct sunlight for at least 7 days. So that's why it will be cooked automatically, and I prefer the flavor of mustard oil. That's why I have added directly into the pickle. Now I'll keep it in direct sunlight for next 7 days. After that I will use it. You can then use it for next 3-4 months.